Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you actually how to tag everyone in a group on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and of course download a Facebook application if you don't have it on your phone. If you do, ignore that. If you don't, just go download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So here you would like to go and actually launch your Facebook application, as I should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. Here, after opening the application, as we said, we would like to tag everyone in a group. So let me first of all join a group because I am not in at any group. Let me just go here at the search bar at the top right corner, then join a random group then that I can post on, of course. So let's just type memes here, and let's just go here and click as groups, then click OK. That is a good group, I guess. So let me just go here. Oh, as you can see here, I can write something, so I can actually post on this group. So if you want to tag everyone, all you need to do, just go let's say as an example, hi, I am new here, and just do this at, and if you as you can see here, type everyone. As you can see, we don't have this option here because it gives you here pages. So let me just go here back and just post your posts first. Of course, let me just go and click as posts, and as you can see here, okay, of course, thanks for your patience. Admins need to complete their review before the posts appear. So let me just see here. Okay, let me just remove my post. Okay, did I? Yeah, I did deleted my post. So let me just go here to one of my posts in my profile and show you how to actually think that is actually a group and I want to tag everyone. So all I need to do, go to the comments, make sure to go to the comments, tap this ads, and then tap everyone here. So make sure, if you do that, just send it just send it exactly like that. Everyone, make sure it's right, and make sure that everyone will be tagged on the group, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.